In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and manage.wix.com. By the end, you'll know how to move from a simple Google search into your Wix workspace, open the design environment, and use the editor's Add menu to search for a chatbot. Start by opening your preferred browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Wix. In the results, look for the official Wix.com link, typically labeled something like Wix Website Builder. Click the genuine Wix.com result to proceed. This takes you into the Wix platform without detours, so you land where you need to work. Once you're on Wix, you'll arrive in the account area that hosts your site's tools. If you're prompted to sign in, do that now. Otherwise, you should see the workspace at manage.wix.com. On this dashboard, locate the button or link labeled Design Site. It's often highlighted in the setup flow or shown near the top of the page. Click Design Site to open the full visual editor for your site. Give it a moment to load your pages, fonts, and any connected apps. That brief pause is normal while the editor prepares your content. Inside the Wix editor, look along the left-hand toolbar for the plus icon labeled Add. This panel is where you bring new elements and features into your pages. Click Add to open the panel, and at the top you'll see a search field. Click in that field and type the word Chatbot. As you type, the editor will filter relevant items and suggestions. You may see built-in chat tools or third-party chatbot options appear in the results. At this stage, you're simply exploring what's available. So read the names and glance at the thumbnails to understand which options best match your design and functionality goals. If the Add panel doesn't open, make sure you're not in preview mode. Switch back to the editor and try again. And if results don't appear immediately for the term chatbot, check your spelling and wait a moment for the search to populate. That's the workflow from start to finish. Begin with a Google search for Wix. Open Design Site from your dashboard to launch the editor. Then use the Add menu's search to find chatbot options. With those pieces in place, you're ready to continue customizing your site and choose the chatbot solution that fits your needs.